As you can see here, I am now back and I am going to make another video on how to install plugins. Um, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find Treefella because that is the easiest one to show that it's working. And where is it? I'm just going to search it up. You don't have to use Spigot, but this always seems to work. Bucket or Spigot is always quite a good way to go with that. Just download that. And then we want to open our plugins folder. Literally just drag your file into the plugins folder, stop your server, restart it. Obviously you can see that one of plugins has loaded, one of one plugin has loaded, and you can then go back to your server. Now I'm going to make an axe. Also, as well, if you don't close your server down, you will notice that in the last video I had 40 melons. I now no longer have those 40 melons because I didn't do /stop. Now you can either do that in the command prompt window or you can do it in the game if you have operator. I'll show you how to give yourself operator in the next moment once I've showed you how to do this. Just to prove that the plugin is actually working. Some of these plugins don't allow you to, they don't allow you to use wooden axes, but this one does. So, to give yourself op, you just do op, your username, and then boom, you're now operator. So now you can do commands such as /stop, which will stop the server, save everything properly, and you never ever close off with this, because if you close off with this, the server won't save properly, and then when you load your server up again, it will, everything will still be there, but it'll be a few minutes behind for when your last autosave was. Now, admittedly, I'm guilty of it because this is just a test server, so I didn't see the point in, well, closing out of it properly. But once your server is stopped, you can obviously press the close button. That's not that big of a deal because you've already saved. But yeah, so yeah, I can hope you enjoy your server, and I hope this video has helped you. And if it has, I really hope that you actually do share this video and like it, because it takes me some time to make these videos. Even though they're only short, it takes a lot of like knowledge and experience to set up this kind of environment and build these kind of things, because my first server was a Dell Optiplex and I had no clue, but I watched a ton of guides, talked to people on a ton of forums, and I'm glad that I can help people so easily through these videos, because I wish I had somebody to show me all these things when I was first starting out.